Hello viewers, please encourage our talent and like, comment, share and subscribe the channel. You can also be a part of our art gallery. So send your artwork, art videos and any other talent videos in our mail ID and contact us in our WhatsApp number. We provide online coaching also. Thank you. Hello everyone, I am Vishwajit and representing Doremi. Once again, I have come up with a basket of human figurative compositions for all of you. In my previous videos, go and watch where I am showing how to draw stick figures to compositions, and my last videos I show you how you can create your own compositions where you can draw human figures your own. In this video, I am continuing the same things where you will get the more clarity about the compositions. So all these videos are very much helpful for you. And don't forget, you need to send your video also. Because Doremi is a platform nourishes the star to shine. So join our platform and keep shining bright. So send your drawing, videos, talents, share everything. Okay, so don't waste your time and watch the full video, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Our today's composition topic is market. So I have selected a photo from internet in Google, and now I am going to create a new compositions helping of this photo. But I am not copying, and I don't want you also to copy any drawing. I always tell better choose a photograph and inspired of the photo and create your own composition. This is a market scene. If you know how to draw the market, then you can draw any kind of market. This is the vegetables market. Even if you know how to draw this, then you can draw the chicken market or any kind of market, fish market. So I have drawn the stick figures so easily. I'm not doing everything. To make my composition simple and beautiful, I have eliminated many things, many figures. Look how simply I am doing everything. You can see the man is wearing a full hand shirt. Look at the hand. In the same way I am drawing another figure. Hairstyles are different. This is the sailor. Very simply I am doing this. So from the pictures I have got an idea of this umbrella they use, and they use the electric weight machines. The man is holding a packets. In far there is another sailor. We can see only the body. I request you not to skip the video, watch full video. Look the video very attentively how I am drawing. Very simply, a house in the background. There is a window, doors, some grasses in front of the house, but we cannot see the roof of the house. Now look in the far, there are more houses, but you know the perspective. That house is very far, so it looks very small. Any object, when it is too far, it looks smaller. This is the perspective. Now next composition, clean India. Look here. I have chosen this photo. Again, same box, same formula. First you draw the stick figures. I have chosen another figure. I am ignoring other figures because in my composition I am not going to draw many figures. there's another. You can understand one figure is standing in front and others are back of our main figure. You can understand their positions. Now I'm working with our main figure. This is in first positions. Second positions, you can see the back. There is one more figure in the left side of my picture, and the right side of my picture there is one more figure that is more far. So in the same way, I'm just drawing eyes, hands. So simply I am doing this. You can see in our composition, our figure is our main object or main subject. So always draw the figure bigger. Don't draw the figure very small. Better other things you make small. Drawing figure is very important. You know, all the games, cartoons, there is a human figure. So human figure is very much important to draw. Look, I am showing that is the school. They are cleaning their school. So very simply I am showing many people in the school. So you can see. So don't skip, watch full video. I have drawn the school gate, some grasses. So you can see how easily I have completed these compositions. Now next is wear mask. I have chosen this photo. Now same process I have started. First we have to draw the stick figures on it. Here I want the figure is holding a placard with their both hand. Now next figures. Now I will do my third figure. This is called perspective, where you can see the figure is closer, is looking bigger, but which one is far, that is looking smaller. So things are getting very easy to get different compositions, right? This video is very much helpful for all of you. So you need to watch this video and share this video with your friends. So this is the girl. Look how I am drawing the hand. It shows that the girl is holding. Wear mask. And here all the figures are wearing mask. Now look how simply I am doing. Same process. Very easily we can do this. Now I am drawing a building. I am showing inside the building. Looks darker. There is a footpath you can see. Now I am drawing a straight line. It shows there is a road and cities, buildings. My main motto is here to show you the human figures. Finally, we have completed the compositions. I feel you like this. Now some more compositions. This is Durga Puja. This once again Durga Puja, this easy one. This is Ganga Shagur Mela. This is also same, easier. This is cricket. This is playing hockey compositions. This is once again easy one, playing hockey. This is playing football, easy one. This is once again playing cricket compositions. This is a little bit tough composition. This is a composition on a village where is showing a freedom. Thank you. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel, hit the notification bell, like, comment and share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.